Hello, what's up guys? And today we're going to be going over my grandmother's Kirby G4 Tech Drive Upright Vacuum Cleaner. So this one is a pretty good vacuum cleaner from the time I've used it. I'm going to be doing a demo today with it on this little strip, minus the area where that is. I'm also going to be doing a demo of the hose for somewhere over there, or maybe even over there, I don't know. But, yeah, this is a bagged vacuum cleaner. So, got that. It's not one of those newer canister-free vacuum cleaners. How you use it, you got these two pedals right here. This one's for height adjustment. That's how you lower it and raise it. I don't know how well you can see it, but it does have, I believe it's a wooden roll bar, or brush roll. So yeah, I'm going to do a demo. Alright, so I got it all plugged in, and we're going to test it out. Here we go. Alright, so we have it in the room where I'm going to be doing the hose demo. So, how you do it is it actually has instructions. You pull this up, there's a little instructions thing right here. You take this, and you turn it this way until it doesn't turn anymore. Like that. I don't know if you probably can't see my knees in the way, but turn this little piece right here this way. So, after that, you pull this out, and then you take this off. It might be a little, there we go. And you gotta make sure you do it the right way, otherwise you might screw up. Then you're gonna take your hose, make sure the two little hook, or maybe one hook. This one has a broken hook, but it's not the newest thing, so push it in, and just like it was on that, you lock it as much as you can. This is actually pretty tight. And then you close that. So now we got a hose. And I have the wand and stuff, so we're going to do that. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to take my hose, take the wand, plug it in. Alright. There's not much light in this room. I'm going to turn this one on. Oh, there we go. That's much better. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, that was the Kirby G4 Tech Drive upright vacuum cleaner. I gotta say, it's a really good one. I had to do the, it's not a vacuum video without doing the suction test, so of course I did that. So this wand actually came in 4 pieces. You got the this half, which comes apart into, if I can get it off with one hand, this is a pain in the ass. It comes with this piece. You got this wand extension. Then you have this little floor piece with another wand extension. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more vacuum videos. I mean, I'm probably going to make more anyway, because like, this is just a hobby I do. I don't do videos for a career. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and bye.